my foot, and I'm leaving. I'm hungry. Help me out. I'm gonna leave your
I
property.
don't have any. I don't have
Huh?
anything to help you with. You.
Hey, call the police. You got a lot of people in your yard. I stay next door, man. I ain't trying to do nothing. You got the kids stealing everything. Call the police in your yard. I'm rich.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
I have your license plate. I see you.
If possible, try to put your scooters and bikes inside just in case, or lock them up. Thankfully, the owner was paying attention. He went and got his scooter back. Let me know what you guys think about this one.
Can I help
Is this
you?
guy just talking
Hello?
crazy, or does he really need some help?
Yes, can you come out the door real quick, please? Hurry up.
You need to go out and I'm calling the police. Get out.
Hey, hurry up. You got a lot. Hurry up. This rich in that door. Tell your home office come to the door.
Get
Come
out
on.
right
Hey,
now. The police is coming. Get off the property.
ma'am, ma'am, I need to talk to your husband. I stay next door, ma'am. It's Richard. I need to talk to your husband. Hurry up, ma'am.
He's not
I
here.
stay next door, ma'am.
He's
Huh?
not here. He's not here.
Hey, hey, look, hey. Call the police. You got a lot of people in your yard. I stay next door, ma'am. I ain't trying to do nothing. You got the kids stealing everything. Call the police. You got 5 niggas in your yard. I'm Richard. I stay next door. I jumped the gate. I stay next door, baby. I'm Richard. I jumped the gate. Call the police.
I cannot come.
Okay?
I
Huh?
cannot come to the door. I'm sorry. Good night.
I know. Okay, I spend that through. I was just letting you know. You know what I'm saying? Damn, I wish you knew. Hey, call my home. Please, for taking all this shit. Damn.
Get off the property and no.
Don't forget about your other delivery options, pickup locations, PO boxes, and Amazon lockers they can get sent to.
Hey, drop that shit. Back the
I
fuck
ain't
up.
gonna
If I beat the fuck out of you. Nah. Try stealing my package right now. I ain't dealing with that shit. Hell no.
Hey, I apologize.
Yeah.
It won't happen again. I thought it was trash. My bad.
Back the fuck up. If I beat the shit out of you.
Hey, you heard what I said, bro.
I heard what you said, motherfucker. I'm telling you, back the fuck up.
Be careful what you leave in the front of your home. It could attract these different characters.
What you doing?
My bad, baby. I thought this was trash. I apologize. Sorry, man.
Looks like we got a tweaker on the porch.
Yo, yo, what you doing?
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Honey? Hello? Hello? Danny, what are you doing? Who is this? Who is this? Hello, why are you at my door? I'm calling the cops right now. I'm calling the police. Hello, leave the front. I'm calling the police.
Instead of threatening it, call the police silently so these people can be arrested.
Why are you at my door? I don't have any. I don't have anything to help you with. You gotta leave. Do not take anything from that door.
Can you call my aunt right quick? See if she see these phones. They can't. Hey, no, not at all. Wait way too long for them to do all that. You don't even need to worry about it. You figure all that out later. It in the backyard, bro. Let me see. Hold on.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. This guy's going around looking for something to steal.
Can I help you? Activated.
Let me get it. Bad, baby. You join me? Huh? Let me crazy, man. Hey, hey, man. Hey, man.
Hey, bro, you good? Hey, dude, what are you doing on my porch? Are you alright?
A viewer submitted this video. I really appreciate it. If you can see, this guy's dragging down a picnic table and a chair, stealing the whole set pretty much. This one actually hits home. This is my mother's beauty salon slash beauty supply. It was broken into recently. Thank God all that was taken was a couple drinks.
Come back, dumbass bitch. You're going to go to 123. Dickhead. I don't talk about how they get shot. So when you get my mother dirty.
This lady seems pissed off. She's feeling like the Hulk.
I'm at a fence.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. You never know anybody's intentions. Try not to leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle.
John, one second.
No, we just pulled up. Stop that. Dispatch. We have video. Flashlight.
Does police.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. And please be safe out there.
You're lucky I don't swing on your fuck ass. What? What? Dude, don't get fucking hurt out here. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? You get fucking hurt out here. You get fucking hurt out here. Get your bald ass. Get your fucking.
Don't forget to lock your bikes up or bring them inside. This is going to keep on happening, especially if they're in plain sight. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.